Hey everyone, welcome back to another Brush Off the Shade Callie Barker video. If this is your first time watching, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I'm starting out with the Yves Saint Laurent Blur Primer. I'm just putting it in the back of my hand and applying it with my clean finger to my face. For my eyebrows, I'm using formerly Kat Von D, but now the new name is KVD Vegan Beauty, or Kindness Vegan Beauty and Discovery. And the brush is Anastasia Beverly Hills, number 14. It's got the sharp brow side on the one side and then the spoolie brush combing on the other side. For my concealer underneath my eye, I'm using my Boo Boo Cover Up concealer to get sort of that straight line underneath my eyebrow. My foundation I'm using is Maybelline's Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the number 120. I used this foundation a lot when I was in high school, and I really enjoyed it whenever I just had to run to Walmart and grab a foundation when I was still figuring out what I liked the best. This is one of them that I always gravitated to, and I mixed it together with my Cover FX highlight drops. I got this cute little It Cosmetics CC cream with SPF 50 in an Ipsy bag, and I just applied that as a highlighter all over my face to highlight the areas that I want to highlight a little bit more. And I went in with my Tartiest Pro Glow palette, and I used the darkest cream color for my contour. My silicone blender that I got helps move all the color around where I need it, and then I'm going to go back in with my regular beauty blender to blend out any really cakey spots that are left on my face. Bake my brows. I've just started doing this recently with taking some powder that I used to bake the rest of my face and just applying it straight to my brows. It'll brush off with a brush a little bit later, but I feel like it helps my brows a lot better to keep from moving all over my face if I've had a really hard day at work or if I get really sweaty doing anything else. I absolutely love Saraphine Botanicals Orange and Cream lip scrub. Smells wonderful and it's just so moisturizing to your lips. I'm going to leave this on the entire time as I finish the rest of my face. For this look, I'm using Urban Decay's Smokey Naked palette. Predominantly just using the two blue colors, and then I'm going to go back in with the black color just to darken it up a bit. But I'm using that dark navy just right in my crease to really lock in some of that really dark color. I'm using that blue metallic color now to kind of smoke and buff out that really dark navy blue color that's close to my crease. But there is quite a bit of fallout, so I would recommend taping your under eye, especially if you want that straight, clear cut crease line on the corner of your eye. Otherwise, there will be some fallout in your cheeks. Going back in the outer side corner of my eye with the smudger brush that comes with the palette and that black color with just a dab of that navy, just to make that outer corner look much more dark and rich and deep of an outer color. Now for one of the most painful parts is just taking this frickin' tape off my face. To cut my crease, I'm using Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, that angled eyebrow brush again, just to get that foundation concealer really in there and really just cut that crease as much as I wanted to. Now that I have my crease cut, I'm going to use Revlon's Colorstay in this silver color, and I'm just going to apply a little bit with my finger on my eyelid. I had totally forgotten when I first started this video that it does come with a little brush. So I used the brush second, and I did find out it works so much better than me trying to use my finger. I'm using Naked Cosmetics in the color Heavy Metal for my transition color between the navy color and the black and the silver that I have. This one sticks really well to that silver because the silver metallic color is kind of a little bit more of a cream and not so much of a powder eyeshadow. Naked Cosmetics sticks extremely well, and it blends really well too with the brush. For this look, I'm topping off my eyes with Ardell's Wispies and this black eyelash glue. I got this Thrive Causemetics in my Ipsy bag. It's a liquid lash extension mascara. I absolutely love this mascara. I'm probably going to buy a full size here pretty soon because when I take it off, it doesn't smudge all over your face like all the other mascaras do. it just more or less clumps to itself and falls off your eyelashes. So I don't really have to worry about getting any sort of weird mascara goo in my eyes. It just clumps and falls off your face. I'm brushing in a dark brown to my under eye lash line. I'm not really sure how to explain the brown under eye. I just thought it would look good and look really nice with my skin tone and my eye color. And now I'm gonna wipe off the lip scrub and add a chapstick before moving on to the lips. This eyeliner with eyeliner sharpener is a hard candy eyeliner in this electric blue color. I'm using it as a lip liner for this look and just outlining my entire lip. I did have to go over a couple times to get the desired blue that I wanted, but at least it was blue and it's what I had, so I didn't really worry. For my blue lip, like you saw at the beginning of the video, I'm using that Naked Cosmetics Heavy Metal color again on my lips. You can use this as an eyeshadow, a lip color. You can mix it together with your fingernail polish and make it a fingernail polish if you wanted to. It's a really versatile sort of loose eyeshadow powder. You can pretty much do whatever you want with it. I wouldn't recommend eating it, but I think it went perfectly with the eye look that I wanted to pull together with. Top off this heavy metal lip, I'm using Unicorn Cosmetics Halo Moonshine Lip Gloss. It's in this sort of oil slick looking color that I think helps bring out that blue a little bit because the green really matches really well with it, and you can see it just ever so subtly iridescent. I absolutely love this packaging that it comes in because it came in a little unicorn with the horn being the entire lipstick in the tube. I just think it's so cute. I wish more packaging was this fun. Thank you so much for watching the video. I had so much fun making this look. It was really out of my comfort zone. Don't forget to follow my other social media platforms on Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. In the comments below, leave a comment on what you would like to see, whether it be a color or a fun theme or a style. Just let me know. Thanks again for watching. I got these cute hair clips on Amazon. And in my next video, I will do a little blurb about my Amazon haul that I got most recently and everything that I got in it. Thank you so much.